Reign a while, though others may sigh, this evening endure. On rooftops beat while I, 'neath sheets sheltered, snug in home's throne. Reign prevail, though others may moan, tonight be not brief. Soak melancholia, weep watery melodies, cascade in beaded harmony. Let gentle tears cry and echo my songs. Reign persist, though others may gripe, douse discouragements, wash away despondence, mimic flowing teardrops, saturate sorrow's humours, quench deserted souls. Reign, linger, though others may frown, you impose not on me. Drench parched cracks, seep through despairs, overflow longings, bathe the earth, rouse cherished fragrances, and, through windows, fan the void. Reign, remain, though others may whine, drown old heartaches, chaperone the lonely, trickle through sorrows, compose the broken, serenade in aqueous rhythms. Sleepily I'll listen to your euphoric, liquid berceuse.